So hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mathy Grace, and in case you are new here, welcome. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. To the returning subscribers, welcome back and thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. I love you too back. Today's video niko Ushago watu wangu. So as you all know, it is a rainy season, and today I will be going to plant. Just imagine, huh? It has been a long time before I did plant actually. So come with me to the shamba today. Let me show you what I'm gonna use. Don't worry. Yeah, so come with me. As we go to the shamba, I will show you the tools of work and the seedlings that you are going to use. See you there. So guys, thanks for watching.